During the newest Kardashians episode, Khloé worried about putting her family's fate in the hands of 12 random people, adding, "While she's suing us, her daughter dreams at my house." Prior to winning the defamation lawsuit against Blac Chyna, Khloé Kardashian and Kim Kardashian feared the worst. During Thursday's episode of The Kardashians, Khloé, Kim and Kourtney Kardashian met for lunch, where they discussed the then-ongoing lawsuit with Chyna, the ex of their brother Rob Kardashian. "The mother of my brother's daughter is suing me, Kylie, Kimberly and my mom for defamation and interference with contract, and the trial starts next week," Khloé, 38, said in a confessional. She is saying the Rob Chyna show didn't get a second season because we interfered with it, not because they weren't in a relationship anymore. While at lunch, Kim, 42, received a call from their attorney Michael Rhodes, who said he planned to file a motion to exclude Chyna's damage claims because she allegedly did not fulfill her requirements to give us all her stuff, such as tax returns and other important legal paperwork. Rhodes also noted that the motion was currently pending, but Kim wondered why her family would have to go forward with the case if Chyna was allegedly withholding information, and there would be no damage claims awarded to the model in the end. "If she doesn't fulfill her end of the bargain, why would we have to go forward with the case?" Kim asked, later adding, "She could still go through with the claim of who's right and who's wrong, but then no damages." Rhodes noted that in defamation cases, people often claim nominal damages to make a point. He added, "It wouldn't end the case per se, but it would take a lot of the sting out of it." Kim continued to press the matter. "She had a restraining order against my brother? How could they even do a show together if there's a restraining order and they physically can't stand next to each other?" she asked Rhodes. In a confessional, Kim added, "I definitely am really nervous because I know, in a lot of the justice reform work that I am in, is that when a jury's involved, the rest no telling how people will side." Even if you have the truth on your side, and you believe in your team, you have no idea what the outcome is gonna be. Rhodes urged the sisters to remain straight-faced and treat it seriously, and pointed out that the next 10 days will be a real spectacle. After hanging up the phone, Kim, Khloé and Kourtney discussed the lawsuit further. "She's suing us for over $100 million, and we're leaving our fate in the hands of 12 random people," Khloé said. "What if they hate us?" Kourtney, 43, then joked, "No one hates us, Khloé," as Kim chimed in, "Hopefully they find people who just don't know who we are." However, Khloé wasn't convinced. "Facts are facts, right is right, wrong is wrong. I am not worried about something I've done. I am just saying it's gonna be stressful and annoying, and while she's suing us, dreams at my house." Chyna, 34, and Rob, 35, were first linked in January 2016. After getting engaged and welcoming daughter Dream Kardashian, now 5, the pair split for good in 2017. In October of that year, Chyna sued Kris Jenner, Kim, Khloé and Kylie Jenner for intentional interference with her contract at E! In regards to the former reality series Blac Chyna. The lawsuit came after Rob leaked nude photos of Chyna on Instagram. Amid his social media rampage, Rob also accused Chyna of drug abuse, alcohol abuse and infidelity. Chyna claimed this incident and the family's influence over E! Probably resulted in Blac Chyna's cancellation, despite reports of it being renewed for a second season. Because of this, her legal team argued that Chyna has likely missed out on millions of earned dollars from related appearances and social media posts. Kim was eventually dropped from the defamation suit, before a jury found the Kardashian-Jenner family not guilty of defaming Chyna in May. No monetary damages were awarded to the model. Since the ruling, Chyna's attorney Lynn Chani has said she plans to appeal the decision. The real Blac Chyna star also filed a peremptory challenge against Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Gregory W. Alarcon, alleging unfair treatment in court. In June, the Kardashian-Jenners' legal team filed a petition asking Chyna for almost $400,000 to make up for the court costs they say they spent in the defamation case. This isn't the first time that the lawsuit has been discussed on the new season of The Kardashians. In a September episode of the Hulu series, Kris, 66, addressed the impact that the lawsuit had on her and her family. As a mom, I am very protective of my kids, and on top of that, it's really draining. It's emotionally, physically and spiritually exhausting to be going through this.